I'm Pratyush Bhaskar from Modern Plastics India and Modern Plastics TV. This year marks 26th anniversary of Modern Plastics India and 14th year in operation of Modern Plastics TV. Joining us, we've got Mr. Prateek J, Director of Prefill Plast Alloys India Ltd. They've been in this business from 1992. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on this auspicious occasion. Just wanting to know if you could run us through your journey till now and key milestones so far.
Definitely. So our company's name is Plast Alloys India Ltd, and Prefill is our registered brand name. So this company and the journey was started by my father, Mr. 𝐒𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐿, and he has dedicated a lot to the industry. And he started the company in 1992, and I'm the second generation. I have also completed more than 1.5 decade in the industry, and we have been in the automotive industry, and the compounds has been supplied for appliances industry, and we have many approvals in this industry. We have been supplying pan India, and going down further, we have developed a very beautiful polymer, that is biodegradable polypropylene compounds. So the beauty about this product is that it will automatically degrade in some landfill conditions within 1200 days. And many of the customers have actually given us a remarkable feedback on the product, because this is something which India and the entire world has been looking for, the polymer degradation by itself in the regular compounds. So this is not PLA, this is not PBT, this is not something which is having low shelf life. So this is a regular polymer, regular PP compounds that has been used widely and vastly for all the industries, whether it is automotive, whether it is appliances, whether it is furnitures. So we proudly represent this polymer that we have developed in the phase of past 6 years. It took us a lot of time to develop this compound. And yes, any compound, whether it is PP glass filled, PP talc filled, PP flame retardant, the entire polymer content is going to be 100% degradable. And of course, it is as per the ASTM standards, which are to be followed to verify whether the product is working in that direction with the rate of degradation or not. And that's it. That's the new thing we have launched, and proudly representing in the exhibition of Plast India.
That's great, since we're talking so much about sustainability and circular economy. And that tempts me to ask this question, that if you could tell our global audience about your wonderful product portfolio.
So we are into PP polypropylene since 1992, and we do anything and everything in polypropylene. And that is PP flame retardant compounds, which are halogen free. We are also in PP glass filled compounds, which are for the automotive high strength compounds. And we have done many replacement of metal with our plastic compounds, polymer compounds, exclusively polypropylene compounds. And we have replaced ABS, we have replaced nylon with our PP compounds. And general talc filled compounds and calcium filled compounds are already in the industry, which we are already catering for. And I suppose this is a pretty good portfolio in terms of automotive or the appliances industry.
Right, right. So moving from micro to some macro issues, recently there's a lot of discussion gaining momentum around FTA between India and European Union. Now that even US is falling in line with BTA, recently they announced that. Do you think that is going to heat up the whole export market?
Of course, definitely, that is going to be a great opportunity for India, because our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has always been focusing on Make in India, and now all the products and the industrial goods will be having a stamp of Make in India, Made in India. So definitely, it is going to be a great time for Atmanirbhar Bharat to show the world, to showcase the world about the products, because we are not just making it for India, we are making it for the world.
Wonderful. Finally, just a word to actually Modern Plastics India, which was just completed 26th anniversary. What you think media platforms like these should do to this industry to create a better ecosystem for all to survive?
First of all, very congratulations on completing Silver Jubilee. I suppose that's called 25 years and more than that. So congratulations on that. And you have been doing great. I've heard a lot about your brand, your company, your magazine. I have gone through your magazine, because I suppose for polymers and plastics, it is the only platform. Either we can promote it through the magazine or through the platforms like Plast India. Otherwise, we cannot advertise on the television or the radios, and not even in the newspapers, being the industrial portfolio, basically. So yes, the best thing that has been already done by your company is already in the roadmap. So going down further, uh, I can suggest that you can capture these moments or these bites globally, because international players giving a feedback on India and the products from India, the quality from India, because India is having global certifications now. So the place we are, where we are standing right now, behind me are the global certifications that we have for our company and the products. So these are more than 10 to 12 certifications and the product classifications that we have. So yes, the global platform, like people from abroad praising about the Indian companies, is going to be a remarkable achievement for Modern Plastic India and Plast India and the entire industry.
Wonderful, sir. On that positive note, we wish you all the luck.
Thank you
Good
so
that we are known for our quality also, sir.